We obviously use the kitchen like most families do, primarily for cooking. We spend a lot of time on the island especially. We also work in that space, we eat breakfast there, we sometimes eat other meals there, and also that's where I might make a cocktail now and again.
Cocktail or two. I would say we want it to reflect our style. Industrial, bohemian, moody European dark colours, lots of jewel tone colours.
We've been in this place 13 years. I think we've changed almost everything else in this unit in that time.
I am very heavy-handed when it comes to working in the kitchen, very heavy-handed. And I was very anxious about changing the countertops.
But we are quite excited to see the transformation happen before our eyes, because it will be quite quick, so it will be a fun process, I think. I mean, we do like the prospect of its efficiency, its speed and its cost. We like the idea of being able to change this down the road in exactly the same way, because who knows, trends change. Maybe in 3 years or 7 years or 15 years. We picked something that we thought suited us best because it was much cleaner and more straightforward.
We have a colour of cabinet we like, we have a colour for tile that we like, and to be able to match it almost identically to make it very streamlined and what we want is a really great thing.
Wow!
Oh
Look at that!
wow!
Oh, I love it.
Just fits in with the whole space now.
I thought this was a renovation. It genuinely looks like we've got new cabinets and new counters. This is something we can show off. We would invite people over purely to show off the kitchen at this point.